Hi guys, it's Gigi. Welcome to another video. Today we are feeling nostalgic. You know, it's January, it's gray, it's cold, there's no sun. So I was looking through my pictures and I came across my vacation that I did last year with boyfriend, and I was like, oh my gosh, I wish I was there right now. And I realized that I've never posted this video. So today I'm gonna bring you sun with my vacation vlog. We went to the Canary Island and we chose Tenerife or Tenerife. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It was a vacation that was well deserved. I was a little bit stressed, and thank you to boyfriend for organizing this trip. We took 1 week all inclusive, and that's exactly what I needed. So without further ado, let's get into the vlog, and I hope you like it. We are going on our first vacation. I've never traveled by plane with a partner. I've only done like little road trips. This is the first time I'm gonna take a vacation, a full 5 days in the island. We need some sun, we need a break. We haven't seen each other for 3 weeks, so it's a well-deserved vacation. I wish we could stay for 2 weeks, but unfortunately, I am not able to take 2 weeks off, so we're just gonna take 1 week together. Before I show you everything that I'm packing, please make sure to subscribe to the channel to support your girl, or give it a thumbs up if you like that kind of videos and you want me to do more vlogs and stuff like that. Or if you don't want to subscribe yet, you can watch another one of my videos. I do have cool vacation stuff. This dress. Oh my god, I totally forgot. Wow, I want to be sexy on that trip. I think I should wear that dress. Yes, let's take it. So I already took some stuff out. It's a disaster. Okay, if I can explain, I just steamed these. So I have a short blue dress, and I have the same dress but in green and a long version. So I just steamed those, so they're gonna stay here. And then here I have the tops, and here I have the skirts, and one pair of pants. I have my bathrobe, and here are dresses. I lay down, oh my god, this dress I am so excited about, guys. This is from Zara. It is giving Rihanna Met Gala. It is giving Kim Kardashian. I have a nude dress to go underneath this. I tried it at Zara. I'm gonna put a picture here. I bought it at Zara for $59.95. And here I have my bathing suits. Honestly, guys, I've been trying to look for a new bathing suits, because literally my bathing suits are all from H&M from like 2016. Like I never go on vacation. I never go on vacation. So these still fit me. They're still in good quality because I literally use them once a year. Literally once a year I go somewhere where there's a pool. So I think the year that I wore my most bathing suit was last summer. I spent all my days at the beach in the Netherlands. I did not expect, but it was beautiful. I think that was the only year since I bought these bathing suits that I've worn them so much. Usually I wore them once a year. So we do have shoes here. I don't need 4 or 5 pairs of heels, but that's all I want to wear. And my boo-boo is really tall, so I feel like it's better if I wear high heels all the time. We have these espadrille heels. I mean, it's a must for summer. They are from H&M from last summer, so I am bringing them for sure because these are the most comfortable heels you can have on vacation. I did bought these in Spain last weekend, and I am definitely going to bring this too. Like, this is a non-negotiable. These are a must for vacation, that's for sure. But then I have these that I bought when I went back home last year, and I am just so obsessed with sandals and stilettos. Look how thin the heel is. They are so cute. Oh my god. I wore them once in Mykonos last year when I went with work. I was so sexy, my god. But yeah, they just last until dinner because after that we had to walk to the club, and obviously I was not going to wear that to the club. I brought a beach bag with my sneakers in them, so I changed after dinner. They're so sexy and I want to bring them because obviously it's a vacation and I need to be hot. I don't look so hot right now, but I need to look hot. I mean, I'm going with my boyfriend, and this month we haven't seen each other that much. This is the first month that we haven't seen each other in like 3 weeks, and it's just like our work schedule is so different, and we don't even live in the same city, so, or in the same country even, so it's pretty hard. So I think vacation is well deserved, and he's gonna stay with me for almost the entire month of April. We're gonna be able to spend much more time together. I think it's a good thing to just, you know, just be sexy. But I feel like vacation will just, you know, he'll just see, you know, that Caribbean spice that I have in me. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to fit everything in my suitcase, try to see if all of that can fit, because all of that guaranteed that I want to bring with me. So this is it, this is it, this is it. Let me get ready for my meeting, guys, and I will see you later.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Hi guys, it is our first official full day at our hotel, and let me tell you, we are having a blast already. The food is good, the drinks are good, and I am just super happy. It's sunny. And we booked some activities for Wednesday and Thursday, so I cannot wait. We have a Jeep excursion, and we do have a volcano visit, which I'm super excited for. Anyways, I have to hurry up because, as you can see, the light can go down, but I am wearing my jewelry pieces. I'm wearing the everyday gold hoops. I am wearing my 11/11 necklace. I think it's very fitting that I have this because obviously I've wished for a vacation for a long time. I rarely go on vacation, so now it's my real true vacation in a resort. Usually I don't like resorts, but this one is nice. I think I deserve a nice break. I just think it's really cool that I have 11/11 with me, making my wish come true every single day, and the famous bracelet. And I have the smiley face charm. I have the smiley face charm because we are happy that we're on vacay. So I'm gonna go to the poolside and wait for my boo-boo to come. Because he went upstairs to get something. So meet him at the pool.
I know you ain't gotta talk alright. I know you ain't gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you.
Hello guys, just checking in. It is the second day. It is Tuesday and this is my outfit. So today it's not very sunny outside, but we don't have a lot planned. I have an appointment in about 10 minutes for a pedicure, so we're gonna get that done, and then after that we're gonna have lunch and head to the city again, because yesterday we did a little walk, but it was a bit, I don't know, I was super tired. So we're gonna do that in the afternoon and see what we can do in the city. And yeah, that's gonna be our day today. And I absolutely need a pedicure because this is awful.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, baby, later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up, area code.
Good morning. We are day 3 today. We are Wednesday. We have an activity planned. Today we're going to go do a Jeep tour of the island. Yeah, I'm going with a long dress and some shoes. I know they don't fit, but those are the only shoes that I have. If ever we need to walk, it's gonna be much more comfortable than my little heels there. So I have a cardigan because it's a bit chilly this morning. And yeah, and just the view. Look at the view, guys. Look at this. We wake up every morning with this kind of view. It's just amazing. I don't get it. Okay, so we're gonna go and yeah, and I'll try as much as I can to have some footage of this experience. So see ya.
To the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around. Find one that seem my type. That my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. She blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Jury in the safe on arrival. Pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night. The waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it. That's light, though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you could ask.
1, 2, 3. Hi guys, hello. Oh my god, today it's our last day. It is Thursday. We actually had an activity planned. We were supposed to go in a cable car up to a volcano and do a tour of the volcano, but unfortunately we missed the bus. I don't know, we had problems with the pickup location, so we missed the bus. We called and they were like, yeah, the bus is too far, like you cannot go, ask for a refund. So we're back at the hotel. I'm a bit sad because I was looking forward to see the volcano. I've never seen a volcano, but you know what, next time. And yesterday I was able to see a volcano, but from far. But yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful day today, so we're gonna stay by the pool for the rest of the day and just enjoy our last day. So yeah, I am wearing my everyday hoops. I am wearing this necklace here that I'm testing out because it might come out for the summer collection. I have the 1111 necklace. Hello. And I have the bracelet that matched the necklace. I have the snake chain, the Figaro chain, and the famous bracelet on me. Okay, so anyways, I will go by the pool and listen to some music. Goodbye, beautiful island. I don't want to leave. It's way too early.